How to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance error. So if you want to fix the Trust Wallet not showing your balance error, then what you can do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, you might face the problem. Once you have the connection, you just need to simply tap and hold on to that Trust Wallet application. Go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, the other thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Trust Wallet. Once you've searched, now if you have any updates under your Trust Wallet, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the application and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart. After restarting, again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and you can log into your wallet and your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on how you can fix your Trust Wallet not showing balance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.